Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to look at how to concatenate data frames in Pandas. So for that let me create two new data frames. With the help of dictionaries I have successfully created two data frames, namely class 1 and class 2, which has three columns: name, subject and the score. Now let's concatenate both the data frames. So df equals pd dot concat, and in which I will pass the values of both these data frames in a list. So class 1 and class 2, and when I check for my data frame, and here they are. Now if you want to arrange the class 2 at the top and class 1 at the bottom, you can switch the places of these two. And here you can notice that the index of this new data frame df is not proper. So in order to change that, we have to use the parameter ignore index. So here ignore index, and I will set it to true. By default it is false, and now when I check it, and here you can see that it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 and it has a proper index now. Now let's try to concatenate two data frames on the basis of column wise. So for that let me create two new data frames. Now here with the help of our dictionaries I have created two new data frames named temperature and wind speed, and now let's try to concatenate both of them on the basis of column wise. Now let's try to concatenate our data frame in column wise. So df pd dot concatenate, and here I will pass in the list temperature and wind speed. As I want to concatenate them based on a column wise, I will change my axis to 1, and now when I check for my data frame, here they are. Sometimes our data might have some missing values, like let's say I am removing Mumbai from here and switching the place of Chennai and Pune. And now when I check my data frame, so here you can see that in the row of Chennai I have the data of Pune, and in the row of Mumbai I have the data of Chennai. So in order to avoid this confusion, we will use the index parameter in our data frame. So index equals, here I will assign the index 0 for Chennai, 1 for Mumbai and 2 for Pune. As I have already assigned the index for my first data frame, I will follow the same for my second data frame, and index equals, so I have only two values, that is Pune and Chennai. The index for Pune is 2 and Chennai is 0. And now when I check for this data, now they have been reassigned to their original values. And yeah, that's all for today in this video. In this video we looked at how to concatenate our data frames in Pandas. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.